Hello, my name is Maria Velasca Guadamos, and this is my Huyamay presentation. My ancestors are from Nicaragua, Managua. This is located in Central America. My parents were the first generation to decide to leave Central America and look for a new beginning. They decided to do their new beginning in the city of Miami, located in Florida in the United States. They decided to do this new beginning for them and my siblings due to the Sandinistas and the war and violence that was going on in their country. They decided to make this move in the 1980s, early 80s. Their first profession in the US were chefs. They worked in Mexican restaurants and Italian restaurants and made a career out of this. It wasn't easy coming to the US because their first language was Spanish. Even though the city had a lot of Spanish speakers, it was still a tough for them environment because they did not know the English language. These are my parents who are happily US citizens and happy that they are able to vote. A family tradition that we have is to always try to get together as a family once a year and go on family trips. I am proud to say that most of my family came to the US as immigrants and today they are US citizens. Where do we stand today and how has this been difficult? Today, my family, they are US citizens, they have accomplished a lot, and I want to say that the majority of my family is here. It was hard since the beginning, and there's still days that are hard. We still have a lot of relatives that have not been able to encounter themselves here in the US, but we do hope that that does change. I think something that I would miss if Nicaraguan wasn't my ethnicity would be the music, the Spanish language, their culture, and their food. I hope you have enjoyed my Huyamay presentation and learned a little bit more of myself.